Okay, so I already took off the EGR on there. We're gonna deep clean it. That's how bad it looks. You guys probably can't see, but it's pretty black in there. I'll be using some of this stuff and a little brush. Let's see how much we could do. Okay, so I'm gonna just shove a brush in here. Just get up in there. Crusty. Okay, well, I cleaned it up as best as I could. You clearly can't see a difference, but I could from the inside. I also forgot that I had some of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these in there. This is definitely making a difference, for sure. Freaking better than that brush. Ooh, it's even getting a little shiny in there. Okay, wow, this little brush did even more magic. Look at that, look how it looks. But now you could actually see some little shine in there. Okay, so these are the gaskets. Since I am gonna reuse them, I'm gonna be using this right here instead of RTV, just so, I don't know, sometimes it could be a little messy, so we'll just use this for today. Just shake your bottle. Okay, so I got the first side on, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna wait a few seconds just to let it kind of dry a bit. Okay, so I already tightened the bottom. Okay, so I got the bottom tightened up. Now we just put that in here, and let's see if I could get that started. There we go. Okay, so she's all buttoned up now. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe. I'm trying to get this car running and passing Smog. Alrighty, so we got her buttoned up. If this car starts, you guys owe me a like and subscribe if you want to know more about this car. Woohoo! You guys owe me a like, so don't forget to give me a like on this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.